For 361, you don't have to make every individual tooth of the gear. We're going to use our array command. So to properly construct the gear, it tells you that each tooth is 3/8 wide. So we're going to offset half of 3/8, and we're just going to build this top tooth. So I'm going to offset 3/16, 3/16. Now these teeth, they point into the center. So take a line and grab that offset, pull to the center of the part, and then pull it back up to the opposite offset. So what you're going to do is you can now erase your offset lines. You're going to trim out till you just have that tooth. So now we can take that one tooth and array it. So you're going to go to your polar array, select the tooth, right mouse click, pick the center of the whole thing, and then you change the number of objects to the total number. So you have to include the tooth that you already made. So when you hit enter, it creates everything for you. Then you're going to just come back and trim out what you need to trim out. And there is your part.